They say don't look for heroes if you don't care who you find. No roads lead us somewhere, and although the horse is blind, there's one thing I can say for sure: you can go through hell and come out pure if you just don't let the devil take your mind. Well, there's no one man among us who is safe from the siren's call. Temptation's like a crooked finger calling for us all. Well, the world's so damp it's beginning to swell. There's a baby crying from a water well. But just don't let the devil take your mind. Take your mind. Take your mind. The devil's on your heels, he's close behind. I'm just here to relate to you. Wherever you are, whatever you do, just don't let the devil take your mind. Oh, yeah. No, no, no. La, 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 la. Well, the fortune teller whispered in your ear, don't you remember? He says the night has come, the devil takes the handhold. So get out the door, don't waste no time. Stay on the path and don't you fall behind. Just don't